Hey, princess.
Yeah.
Yeah, you.
Give you more again, yeah.
Knew I would love you like a fat kid love food. Knew I would score like Shaq did in school. Knew I was stupid, knew I looked like a big fool. I must have had the flu, I thought that was cool. Knew you would fall in love with me and I do. But never knew you would murder me. What did I do? Knew you was right for me. Knew I was right for you. Knew I would help you sell. Knew I would write for you.
Really, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours.
I don't need no time, and I don't need no reason. I'm yours. Whenever I'll be there through every season. Without you in my life, there would be no meaning. Baby, I'm yours forever. Seasons come, seasons go. Love you so much, baby, I don't know. Love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, yeah.
So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours.
Knew I would keep you well. Knew I would fight for you. Knew I would pull out my heart and bring it right to you. You knew all about me, baby, but you wasn't about me, baby. Damn. Young Wayne, prepare for change, cause it seems like girl, he don't care the same. You had my chain, you bared my name, then we had champagne.
I've been spinning way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. My breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew in your face and laughed. I guess what I'm saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanity and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue. I won't hesitate no more, no